Hello friends, I am Rohit at Road to Geek. Today we will be discussing how to make a Python program that takes a text file and tell us how many lines are there in the text file. Today's video gonna be much interesting for programming lovers, and in this video I will discuss the logic of code that I have made. So coming towards today's topic, I will recommend you to learn Python basics to have best experience of this video. If you don't have learned Python basic, you can skip this video and play the last part of the video to get output and source code of the Python file for free. So for your information, I am on Python 3.9.6 that I have installed earlier. If you don't know how to install Python, you can check my blog, the link is in the description. And I am on VS Code today, the Microsoft most successful IDE. So I have written a couple of code earlier, and in this video I will be discussing the program in this code. Coming to the first line, according to Python control, as you know that Python doesn't treat functions, so first it will go to line number 11 and 12, which says here a control creates a variable named path underscore of underscore file, which will basically take input of path of the text file. Then control goes to line number 13, where control makes another variable named file underscore to underscore open, which will open the file at location the user has provided in line number 11. Then control goes to line number 13, where control creates another variable named reading underscore lines, which will read the file with all lines including escape sequences in list format. So in line number 15 I have another variable named str underscore reading underscore lines, which will basically store the string value of reading underscore line. Then control goes to line number 16, which tells control to print there are count line bracket str underscore reading underscore lines bracket close lines in text file. So here control will go to search for a Python function named count line to get the output, and I have defined this function in line number 1. So it will take the value of str underscore reading underscore line as local variable line. In this function I have defined a doc string in line number 2. Then Python goes to line number 3, which says make a variable named count and its value should be 1. The purpose of using count is to count line in the string that I have provided. Line number 4 says to generate a blank string variable named determine backslash. It's basically used to identify backslash as a first character. Line 5 says to create a loop. It will run till the lines are finished with line step. Line number 6 says to create a nested loop, which will run till the line ends and with letter steps and update the value of variable named letter. Line number 7 and 8 says if variable named determine backslash gets the value backslash backslash. By the way, purpose of using two backslashes is due to the escape sequence for single backslash. If the variable named determine backslash get the value double backslash and letter named variable gets the value n, then add 1 to variable named count. Line number 9 says to update the value of variable named determine backslash as the value in variable named letter. Line number 10 says to return the value of count to needy. Here the needy is line number 16, so it returns the value there and goes to line number 17, which says close the file, which is stored in variable named file underscore to underscore open. Now it's result time. So at this point I will run the program, and now the terminal asks me to enter the path of file. So I have created a text file with 5 lines in this folder. Simply take the path of file and paste it on the terminal. After pasting it, terminal says there are 5 lines in text file and successfully ends the program. Now I will edit text file and increase the number of line to 7 by pressing enter twice. So now save this file and open VS Code and run the file again in VS Code, so it's ends successfully with correct output. And if this video seems to be informative, please give a like and subscribe to this channel to get more such content, and don't forget to press bell icon. That is it for today's video. Meet you next time.